Hi, today we will see how to solve inequality. In inequality, you will always have a greater than sign, less than sign, greater than or equal to sign, or less than or equal to sign. If in any algebraic expression you are having these sign, then it is called algebraic inequality. To solve an algebraic inequality and algebraic equation, you have same rules, except you have one additional rule while solving algebraic inequalities. What is that rule? Suppose you are given one inequality minus 2x is greater than 6. Now to solve this inequality, both sides you will divide with negative number. So in any inequality, when you are dividing or multiplying with a negative number, you have to flip over the inequality. So I will just flip over the inequality. Greater than sign will change to less than sign. Minus 2 divided by minus 2 will be 1. 1 multiplied by x will be x. 6 divided by minus 2 will be minus 3. Right? So, solving algebraic equation and solving inequality is same. Just this additional rule is there while solving inequality. What is the rule? Whenever you are dividing or multiplying the inequality by a negative number, you have to flip over the inequality sign. What is inequality sign? These fours are inequality sign. Now let's see how to solve algebraic inequality. So let's see the first question. You are given 2x plus 4 is less than 8. So you have to find all values of x for which this inequality will be true. First of all, what we want to find? We want to find value of x. If I want to find value of x, I don't want anything else on the left side. It means I want to get rid of this 4 also and this 2 also. So how I can get rid of this 4? By subtracting 4 on both. I will subtract 4 on both sides of the equation. Right? Again, I will repeat. I want to find value of x. So I want to get rid of this plus 4. For getting rid of this plus 4, I will subtract minus 4 on both sides of inequality. Always remember, whether it is algebraic equation or whether it is algebraic inequality, whatever changes you are doing on the left side of the equation or inequality, same changes you have to do on the right side. So I am just subtracting 4. So plus 4 minus 4 will become 0. I will get 2x is less than 8 minus 4, which is 4. Now 2 and x is in multiplication. Inverse of multiplication is division. So if I want to get rid of this 2, I will divide 2 on both sides of the equation. So 2 divided by 2 will be 1. 1 times x is x. So I will say x is less than 4 divided by 2, which is 2. It means x can have any value less than 2, not equal to 2. So how I will write my answer? For writing my answer, I can write the answer on number line, showing the answer on number line, or I can use a brackets and give my answer. So let's see how I will write my answer using number line. So this is my number line. Let's say that this number is 2. Now x can have any value which is less than 2. Less than 2 means on the left side. You will go towards left side. Any value which is less than 2 is your answer. But x cannot be equal to 2. So since x is not equal to 2, you will use here open circle. If x is equal to 2, then you will use a dark circle, right? If the same answer you have to write in bracket, see this arrow will go up to minus infinity. X can have any value less than 2. It will go up to minus infinity. So in bracket, in small bracket, you will write minus infinity and it will go up to 2. 2 is not included in the answer. So you will write here 2, but any value which is not included in the answer, for that you will use small bracket, right? Let's see the next question. So question number 2 is 65 is less than 7x minus 12. Now for this equation, just a second. Yeah, in this equation again, what we want to find? We want to find value of x. So here I am having minus 12. In the inequality, whatever is in addition or in subtraction, first we will get rid of that. So if I want to get rid of this minus 12, I have to add 12 here. But whatever changes you are doing on the right side, same changes you have to do on the left side. So 65 plus 12 will be 77 here less than 7x minus 12 plus 12 will be 0. Now it is 7 multiplied by x. If I want to get rid of this 7, I have to divide by 7. Because 7 and x are in multiplication, just inverse of multiplication is division. Just inverse of subtraction is addition, right? So if I am dividing 7 on the right side, I will divide 7 on the left side also. 7 divided by 7 is 11. Sorry, 77 divided by 7 is 11. And here 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 multiplied by x is x. So if 11 is less than x, x is greater than 11. How I am writing this? See, if 3 is less than 4, it means 4 is greater than 3. Similarly here, 11 is less than x, so x is greater than 11. Right? Now I want to again write my answer. Right? So for writing my answer, I can again use number line. Right? So I will draw a number line here. I will mark 11 somewhere on the number line. Right? Now what I am saying, x is greater than 11. Right? X is greater. So whenever you have greater than sign, you will move towards right side. So x can have any value greater than 11. It can be 12, 13, 14 up to positive infinity. But x is not equal to 11. It is greater than 11. So since x is not equal to 11, at 11 you will put a open circle. Whenever, if I want to write my answer in bracket, since 11 is not included in the answer, x is greater than 11, not equal to 11, I will use here small bracket 11, and x can have any value greater than 11, it will go up to positive infinity. Always with infinity, you will use small bracket, right? Okay, Now let's go to the next question. Okay, so question number 3, you are given minus x over 3 is greater than or equal to minus 5, right? Again, in this question, what I want to do? I want to find value of x. How I can get rid of this 3? 3 is in denominator, it is in division. Inverse of division is multiplication. So what I will do? Both side I will multiply with 3. So both side I will multiply with 3. If I will write in this way, I think it will be better understood. For this question, I am saying that I am multiplying 3 both side, on the left side also and the right side also. So when I will multiply with 3, 3 and 3 will cancel out. I will get minus x greater than or equal to minus 5 multiplied by 3 is minus 15. Right? I want to find value of x, not negative x. So how to get rid of this negative number? Right? How to get rid of this negative sign? What I can do? Both sides I will multiply with negative 1. But at the starting of the class, I said, whenever in inequalities you are multiplying or dividing with a negative number, you have to flip the inequality sign. So negative x multiplied by negative 1 will be positive x. I have to flip over the sign. Minus 15 times minus 1 will be plus 15. So x can have any value less than 15 or equal to 15. Now I will write my answer. First I will show my answer on number line. So here I will mark 15. Right? X can have any value less than 15. So since it is less than 15, I will move towards left side. Whenever it is less than sign, you have to move towards left side. And since it is equal to 15, therefore I will use here dark circle. For this question, it is also equal to 15, right? So whenever you have equal to sign, you have to use dark circle. Whenever there is no equal to sign, you will use open circle. Now same answer I want to write in bracket. So it is going up to minus infinity. With infinity, you will always use small bracket. And it is going up to 15. But in this question, I will use square bracket. Why square bracket? Because x is also equal to 15. 15 is included in your answer. If any number is included in your answer, you will use square bracket. Right? Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 4. You are given x plus 2 divided by 3 is less than 1. Right? So in this question, most of the students do mistake. See, here it is whole divide by 3. So first you have to get rid of this 3 and then you will get rid of this plus 2. Don't do minus 2 both sides first. Because below 2 also you have 3. Below x also you have 3. So first I will get rid of this 3. How I will get rid of 3? By multiplying 3 both sides of the equation. So if it is better if I will keep bracket here. What I am saying that on both sides of inequality, I will multiply with 3. If I will do like this, 3 and 3 will cancel out. I will get rid of this 3. I will be left with here x plus 2 less than 1 times 3 is 3. Now I want to get rid of this 2, so I will subtract 2 both sides. So if I will subtract 2 both sides, plus 2 minus 2 will cancel out. X will be less than 3 minus 2, which is 1. If I want to show the answer on number line, I will just draw the number line. I will mark here 1. X is less than 1. It is not equal to 1. So you will use open circle. And since it is less than 1, you will go to the left side. After this, I want to write the answer. So since it is going up to negative infinity, I will put here negative infinity up to 1. But since 1 is not included in my answer, I will use small bracket. Okay, now let's see the next question. So question number 5. You are given minus x divided by 3 sorry, plus 1.3 is less than or equal to 3.3. Right? Now, what is difference in the previous question and in this question? In previous question, both numbers whole divide by 3 it was. But in this question, 3 is just in denominator of x. It is not in denominator of 1.3. So in this question, first you have to get rid of 1.3. It is plus 1.3. So you will subtract 1.3 both sides. Plus 1.3 minus 1.3 will become 0. Minus x by 3 is less than or equal to 3.3 minus 1.3 will be 2.0. Or just 2 you can write. Right? Now 3 is in denominator again. If I want to get rid of this 3, it is in division. So I will multiply with 3 both sides. 3 and 3 will cancel out. Minus x is less than or equal to 6. But if I want to get rid of this minus sign, I again have to multiply with negative 1. Whenever you are multiplying with a negative number, you have to flip the sign. So minus x multiplied by minus 1 is x. 6 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 6. Now I will write the answer. Okay, so I will draw the number line. On the number line, first I will mark negative 6. X is greater than negative 6. Since x is greater than negative 6, I will move towards right side. And since x is also equal to negative 6, I have to use here dark circle. So since minus 6 is included in the answer, I will use square bracket minus 6 and it is going up to positive infinity. With infinity, always you will use small bracket. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 6. So next question is 3x plus 5 is less than or equal to 4 plus x. First of all, what you will do, you will see in this equation that you have x here also and x here also. So you will try to collect like terms on left side and remaining like terms on the right side. So I will collect x terms on the left side and 4 and 5 constant terms on the right side. So for that, what I will do, I will subtract x both sides. If I will subtract x both sides, plus x minus x will cancel out. 3x minus x will be 2x. 2x plus 5 is less than or equal to 4. Now I will get rid of this plus 5. For getting rid of this plus 5, I have to subtract 5 both sides. So plus 5 minus 5 will become 0. 2x is less than or equal to 4 minus 5, which is minus 1. Lastly, 2 and x both are in multiplication. If I want to get rid of this 2, inverse of multiplication is division. So I will divide 2 both sides. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. X is less than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Right? So now I want to write same answer on the number line also and in bracket form also. So how I will do that? First, I will draw the number line. On this number line, I will mark negative half. I am saying that x is less than negative half. So I will move towards left side. Since x is also equal to negative half, so I will use here dark circle. In the bracket form, since I am going towards minus infinity, so I will here write minus infinity. X is equal to up to negative half. So answer will be up to negative half. Negative half is included in the answer. So you will use square bracket. Okay. So let's see one last question. Question number 7. It is x by 4 plus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 4 minus x. First of all, whenever we have to deal with fractions, whether it is addition or subtraction, you should make denominator same. Then we will do any other thing, right? So here nothing is there means 1 is there. Now to make denominator same, here I have 4. If I will multiply here with 2, I will get 4 in the denominator. Always remember in fraction, whatever changes you are doing in denominator, same changes you have to do in numerator. So if I am multiplying 2 in the denominator, I have to multiply 2 in the numerator also. Here I am already having 4. For getting 4 here, I will just multiply with 4. Whatever changes I am doing in denominator, same changes I will do in numerator. Right? So what I will get? X by 4 plus 6 by 4 less than or equal to 1 by 4 minus 4x by 4. Now let's say that throughout the equation, I have multiplied with 4. So if throughout the equation, I will multiply it with 4, 4 and 4 will cancel out from each term. And now my inequality will be x plus 6 is less than or equal to 1 minus 4x. This 4 I am multiplying throughout the inequality. So because of this 4, all 4 in the denominator will cancel out. Now what I can do? I will collect the like terms on the left side. So I will add 4x both sides. So if I will add 4x both sides, I will get 0 here. X plus 4x is 5x plus 6 is less than or equal to 1. Then I will subtract 6 both sides because I want to get rid of the 6 also. So I am having very less space now. So 5x will be less than or equal to plus 6 minus 6 will cancel out. 1 minus 6 will be minus 5. I will solve it here. So 5x is less than or equal to minus 5. Lastly, both sides of the equation I will divide with 5. So 5 divided by 5 will be 1. 1 times x is x. So x is less than or equal to negative 1. Right? So if I show my answer on the number line, I will just use negative 1 here. Since it is equal to negative 1, I will use dark circle. Since it is less than equal to, since it is less than negative 1, so I will move towards left side. If I want to show same answer in bracket, it will be minus infinity up to minus 1. Since it is dark circle, square bracket. Right? So, we will continue with same topic in the next class also with more complicated questions. Thank you. Bye.